Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss 9 gold medals, questions and answers. Our 9 gold medals what are question answer we discuss karma. Okay, let's start. Let's understand the poem. What is this poem about? This poem is about an inspiring event of a race in which 9 differently abled athletes took part in Special Olympics. What is this poem about? A poem ta karba udar diya hoiche. The poem is about an inspiring event of a race in which 9 differently abled athletes took part in Special Olympic. Who came from all over the country? 9 differently abled athletes came from all over the country. Objective answer हिसाब रे लिखा होइचे. तुमे इदा के फुल सेंटेंस रे आंसर लिखबो. ओके, फुल सेंटेंस रे लिखि पारबो जेंता who came from all over the country. 9 differently able athletes came from all over the country. Okay, why did they come there? To run for gold, silver and bronze. They came there to run for gold, silver and bronze. Who are usually awarded the 3 medals, gold, silver and bronze? 3 athletes who are placed in first, second and third position are usually awarded the 3 medals, gold, silver and bronze. What was the event for which they had come? The event was a 100-yard running which they had come. Another way that you can write, a 100-yard running event was the event for which they had come. What had they done before they came down to these games? Many weeks and months of training. What did the spectators do around the old field? Number 7, gathered. Why did they gather around the old field? They gathered around the old field because to cheer on the young women and men. Young women and men माने कहा कि बुझुची से athletes मान को बुझुची. Why did their excitement grow high? Because the final event of the day was approaching. What were all lined up for whom? The blocks for the athletes. What was the event? Second line, third stanza ro second line ro a 100-yard dash. How many athletes were there? 9 athletes were there. How many athletes? 9 athletes were there. Okay. Which word in the third line, third stanza says that the athletes had taken firm decision to win a medal? Firm means, what do you mean by firm? Firm decision, you will write. What do you mean by firm? The word result. Okay, result means determined. Where were those 9 athletes? In back of the starting line. What were they poised for? For the sound of the gun. Why was the pistol exploded? To give signal to the athletes to start running. What did the runners do? Charge ahead. The runners charged ahead. Who among the 9 runners was unable to run? The smallest athlete. Why was he unable to run? Because he lost his balance and stumbled. Where did he fall? To the asphalt. Why did he fall? As he was stumbled and lost his balance, so he fell. Who does he in the 5th stanza stand for? The smallest athlete. Why did the boy cry out in frustration and anguish? Because his dreams and his efforts all dashed in the dirt. What dashed in the dirt? All his dreams and efforts. What did the other runners do? Pulled off on their heels and went back to help the smallest athlete. Should athlete do like this? Yes, athlete should do like this. Who does him stand for in the 6th stanza? The smallest athlete. What had they done for the boy to complete the race? Brought the young boy to his feet and joined hands. Why did they go back to him? To help the smallest athlete to stand. What did they do first? They returned to help athlete. What did they do next? Join hands and continued. What happened to the 100-yard dash? Reduced to a walk. After they came back to help the boy, the smallest athlete, then the 100-yard dash reduced to a walk. What did they carry with them? The banner. What did the banner say? It was Special Olympic. What did the race end with? End with 9 gold medals. How did they come to finish line? Join hands. What do you mean by standing ovation? A standing ovation means expression of popular appreciation for their masterly performance. You can take a glance on your glossary and find out the answer. How were their faces then? Were they all happy? Why? Their faces were beaming then. Yes, they all were happy because they all won gold medals. What do you learn from such type of help of the athletes? We learn humanity, love, affection, fellow feelings, cooperation and collaboration from such type of help of the athletes. Okay. Next, what message does the poet convey in 9 gold medals? The poet conveys a great message to the humanity that the world now needs no more competition but more love, affection, fellow feeling, cooperation and collaboration. What is important? Winning a medal or helping a fellow brother in trouble? Helping a fellow brother in trouble is important. What is necessary for a person? To understand the emotion of others or to become self-centered. To understand the emotion of others is necessary for a person. What do you mean by 9 beaming faces said more than these words ever will? The 9 athletes walked joined hands to complete the race. The name Special Olympics was justified by them. These said something most important which can be expressed in word. Okay, but it can only be felt. खाली हमें feel करी पारमा. Okay, thank you so much.